Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of movies not downloading on Netflix. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Netflix. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. After that we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next